Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix lag in CapCut Mobile. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. First method, go to your device's settings. Follow the prompts to find the CapCut app and clear its cache. This can help if temporary files are causing the lag. Next method, ensure you have the latest version of CapCut installed. Developers often release updates to improve performance and fix the bugs. Another method, sometimes a simple restart can clear out any minor glitches or issues causing the lag. Another method, while editing, reduce the video resolution or quality settings within CapCut. High resolution videos can be demanding on your device. Next method, ensure you have enough free storage on your device. Low storage can slow down the performance. Another method, make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as updates often include performance improvements. Another method, if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the CapCut app. This can often resolve persistent issues. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.